Okay, welcome to the final section or final leg of our journey, part 5, installing the OPSB Suite itself. Now, what we did so far, we did quite a lot of things. We prepared the environment, we we added a lot of nodes previously, configured them, databases, whatnot, and now we are going to use our trusty documentation over here to deploy the suite using the apphub. Now, how to do that? We don't know, and we are going to do it right here. But just remember that for you, probably it's going to be a fast video because we might be just, doing something very simple like adding stuff and whatnot. But for me, it's going to take a lot of time because I'm going to download images from the internet and I'm going to upload them to the registry and all of that. So yeah, so let's just try and do it real fast. So the first step is going to be adding a namespace. So I like to use default namespaces. And in previous iterations, I called it OPSB instead of OPSB Helm, but now I'll leave it with OPSB Helm because later it's going to be very confusing, right? So this is actually what it's creating a deployment, or is it creating a namespace? Namespace. Okay, so it's creating a deployment, and it also creates a namespace at the same time. So note, I'll go back on what I said, and I'll still keep it on OpsBridge. I prefer OpsBridge. It's just much faster. All right. Related topics. Install storage provisioning chart. Installing storage provisioning chart is a prerequisite for OpsBridge because reporting automatic rate management. You're going to be deployed so VM stakeholder. You can skip the step. Okay. And now this was already done. Okay, storage provisioner, grab disks, and you can have these 3 worker nodes for production, and we did it. And we did it, use this format to create an LPV YAML. And you need to know your master where Helm deployment. So Helm install, and then it's going to use the LPV YAML that kind of specifies yeah, that specifies the location of the volumes, right? So let's go with mount LPV, and here we have the definitions, right? Like right here. But also I know that there is a way of not using this YAML file, and there is a workaround that. So let's see in the documentation if we have name, fast disk, host here, and we verify the installation storage. Okay, grep local volume, grep PV. Okay, so example without using them. Yeah, there we go. So Helm install. Okay, item Kubernetes local storage provision version TGZ minus N core. Okay, so this is without using the YAML file, and we will try and use just that. So CDF home charts, provisioner version. Now I'm not sure which version exists in this. So let's see what it has. Oh, it actually has only one storage provisioner, so we'll give it that. Failed to download Helm repo upgrade. So Helm install CDF home. Oh, okay. We cannot use CDF home in the command itself, I guess. So we'll go do /opt /kubernetes, and I think this is what we will use. Yeah, was deployed, and now we will test it. So grep local volume, so it has 4. It's still running. Let's see if now it actually sets 1 out of 1. And then we'll get to the kubectl PV. As you see, the documentation specifies 5-node deployment, or is it 6-node? Yeah, 6-node. And we have 3-node deployment with a master. So, okay, so now it's the other one, and all of the volumes are set to the correct sizes, right? And this is it. We're done. Okay, perform prerequisite tasks for apphub deploy using script. You can perform the installation prerequisite tasks such as creating persistent volumes, uploading switch chart to apphub UI, downloading station images, downloading deployment suite SH script. The script prompts the user required parameters. Okay, so if you use deploy prerequisite SH, you can skip create persistent volumes, download installation images, upload installation images, and upload switch chart. Okay, so it actually looks pretty nice to me. Is it apphub though? Is it still apphub? Okay, for apphub. So it doesn't skip the apphub. I just don't want to go by mistake via um, I just don't want to accidentally to do the CLI version of the deployment without triggering, and bypassing the apphub, which is new to me. So before we start running the NFS FTDN location, this is what we need. Deploy prerequisite. Okay, switch chart file. We do have the switch chart file, organization name of the registry, host name, port, and credentials. We do have Docker registry host. So with that, we had all of this. And deploy prerequisite is the unzipped chart. So we will go to our unzipped chart over here. Actually, where am I? Oh, I'm on worker. What did I do? Did I just perform Helm install on a worker instead of a master? Oh man. Okay, well that's calling somebody goofy. That's me. I'm goofy. Let's see how it affects us. Oh, it's already okay. So it doesn't matter on what node you run, it still works. So here is our unzipped OPSB Suite chart. And we need to go to the scripts. So we go to scripts, and we will run the deploy suite prerequisites. Do we want to create persistent volume? True. Do we want to use internal NFS or external? Use one for external. It's already external. Please provide FQDN nfs.opsb.swdemos.net. Please provide location on NFS folder. That is correct. Do you plan to install OBM compatibility? No. False. Creating persistent volumes. Okay. Do you want upload the switch chart to the? Okay, I would do want. Enter the administrator password. Yes. This is the password. And now it's trying to do something, so let's wait for it. And now it says that uploading the switch chart has completed and the organization name. I know. Do you want to download images? Actually, true. And it will try to calculate whatever. And now we wait for it. So I'm just afraid that it will skip the apphub a little bit. Maybe, maybe not. I just have a feeling because in previous installation variations and previous versions of the OPSB Suite, this thing would actually get your suite installed. There was like an additional command at the end of it though, right? So I might be panicking over nothing. Okay. Okay, and now it's the download itself. So we say this is the port, this is the server, this is the account, and the password, if I remember correctly, was something like this. Do you want to upload the images? I do. Okay, so that's the difference between the previous installation. Previous installation would ask me for everything, download the images, ask me for more stuff, upload the images. Okay, and now it's going to be okay. What does it mean? Registry admin, Docker registry, local. Okay, CDF offline does not exist. Please refer to upload images, download images for more details. So it looks like I might need to do the images manually instead of using the script, which is great. Let's see this option. Okay, after checking the documentation one more time, we just find that there was probably a mistake in running the script. So do you want to, yes, say true, external nfs.opsb.swdemos.net, and probably I made a typo somewhere in the script. Okay, do you want, yeah, true, probably it will say that upon a switch chart, it was already the same. I'm just doing passwords manually, and sometimes those things fail. So now it's trying to upload the chart, and it already did, so it did not repeat the steps. Do I want to download? I want to. Now it's trying to calculate the delta images based on registry image list. So let's see. I don't know what it means. Yes. Get the images without the OBM and use SimDB. Okay, still thinking about it. Okay, going back to registry and port, and my username is going to be my last name. This is going to be my password. Not able to access Docker Hub. Why? Do I want to? Yeah, false. I don't want to. Something is really wrong over here. So, what would be the curl minus v registry IO? What would be? Okay, page not found, which is completely fine, but cannot go with registry IO. Well, we'll have to download and upload the images manually, I guess, which is fine with me. Okay. Related topics, create suite namespace, provisioner chart, prerequisite script. Okay, we'll go back to it later. Download required. Okay. So we'll go to generate download in the item platform, generate download bundle, and we'll do just that. So we'll go to CD item, and what was it? Tools, CD tools, CD tools. Right. And then we're going to generate download button bundle. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, CD generate download. And then we'll go with generate download bundle minus ASH. And oh, this is help chart file. So we're going to specify the chart file. Right. So chart, and then -O. Okay. Where it says chart, dir config chart. Oh, it's -C. Okay, -C. And then it's going to be root, ops bridge, chart, what it says, dash zip. Okay, and -O HPESW item, -O HPESW item, I believe. Go for it. No, not a valid JSON file. Ooh, chart TGZ. So probably there is more than this zip over here. So we'll go with charts, and here we have the TGZ. Okay, well, this is super weird, but I'll take it. Yeah, error. Is not a there's not a valid JSON file. Okay, maybe I should specify that this is -- chart. Maybe it's not a config, it should be -- chart. Chart. Is it a okay, we're going. Probably it would work. What it likes the TGZ. Yeah, that's TGZ thingy. Okay, trying to calculate delta images, go for it. Okay, so there's the offline download. So we are going to do unzip, offline download. We're going to go into the offline download directory, and we will do download images. Is there an additional step for download images? Username, custom image path, org name. And no, we just need to use the download images. Let's see, contacting registry. Is there going to be a difference this time? So there it goes to the registry. Okay, continue, yes. Now it's going to say, yeah, now it's much better. Now it's much better. Now we have a list of images, and now it's trying to actually download them. So we will upload them manually as well. And then when we will run the previous script later on, then this script, we will just say don't download.upload, and it's going to be pretty fast. So let's skip to the place where the image is not only downloaded, but uploaded, because upload images would be uneventful too. It's going to be upload images.sh, username, password, and waiting for another hour. So skipping to that portion right now. All right, and everything is uploaded. Let's see. Transfer images to the control plane. We did that. Upload. Switch chart actually went ahead. So probably, if we look at the list of all of the items that it mentioned, right? So prerequisite was create persistent volumes, but it created it as a part of the script that was running. Download installation images. We did upload the switch chart. So it did those two. And I did manually those two. So probably we just need to complete. Yeah, we just need to complete the procedure, right? Or the one with the installation. Let me see. So deploy suite prerequisite. Where is it? It's cd unzip chart scripts. Okay. cd ops-bridge chart scripts. And now we'll run the deploy command. So it says true, external one, nfs.opsb.swdemos.com. That's true. False. Still needed to create the YAML file. Okay, upload the suite chart. Let's say true. Enter the administration password. Did. Okay, now it goes to the apphub, or we did it twice, but still I want it to be generating the values YAML file successfully, right? So this is, do you want to download? False. Do you want to upload? False. And that's it, all right? So apparently I did not need to do that. Fine. Here we go. So log into apphub. Actually, we did it already in a previous video, but we'll do it once more over here. This is the apphub. Let's restart the IDM. Yeah. Token is not there. Apphub, there it is. Go for it. And now we are in the realm of the unknown. Let's see what lies there. Oh, come on. What is it that I did? There we are. Okay, so there's the operations bridge. So, all right, let's go up. Configure reporting on premises using apphub. Click on the configure icon. Okay. Configure the application parameters for each category tab that appears on the side menu. Each time contains a series of fields. Okay. Fully qualified. Okay, this is the FQTN. So master.opsb.swdemos.net 443. Use hardware load balancer. No. Docker registry. That is correct. Deployment size medium. Correct. Kubernetes provide CDF. Yes, did it. Localhost, expected deployment medium. Kubernetes provider, yes. There is the evaluation size, right? Configure services. So what is it that I did? And where's the next button? So probably this is the next button. Stakeholder dashboards, enable reporting, enable AG metric connector. No, number of parallel connections. The maximum number of operations agents know that a single agent metric can replica can. Agent metric connector. Is that important? No, doesn't. Automatic event correlation, yes. OBM, no. Security. Create OpsBridge administrator password. Okay. This is a confirm, yes. Kind of did it earlier. Custom monitoring service. So for this, I will use my non-production password because I might want to show it in a demo. Upload TOS certificates. CA or self-signed certificates, no. Cost of client authentication, user group, no. I have no idea. Okay. OBM port, okay, we're not doing OBM. Configure security. About cost of client authentication certificates. I might want to rethink this. The maximum number of operations, then you know that a single agent magic replica can connect operation at a single. Okay, I have no idea. But let's go here. Upload, no. Use to toggle select external Postgres. Selected external Postgres database host name. So it's gonna be CDF BVD dot what was it? OPSB.swdemos.net port 5432 no TLS OPSBridge database username it's IDM password just a password IDM database verify. Please work. Oh, it worked. Okay, on the first time. OPSBridge database. Database APLS. APLS. Okay, we need to read about this one. IDM, APLS, configure external database. Autopass schema. Oh, default value is autopass schema, and I need to read from the configuration script in order to do it properly. Okay, back we go to the PSQL. And if you remember, there is this configuration file that create SQL. So cat remove SQL, we'll read this one because probably it is a little bit shorter. Drop database. Oh, okay, so it's called Autopass. It's called Autopass. Cool. No. There we go. So database name is Autopass. Password. Oh, it's username. Yeah, it's Autopass actually. And Autopass. Verify. Works? Yeah. BVD. Database username BVD. Password. Of course, we know our password. And then BVD for the verify database name. Yes. Oracle, OBM event. Those are not important. Vertica. Oh, this one is external Vertica, no TLS. Vertica host name is going to be vertica.opsb.swdemos.net. I need to verify that the Vertica is up actually. So we'll go to our Vertica over here and we'll go to sudb admin, to the admin tools, and cluster state is up. Okay, good, it's ready. It's ready. Okay, and that's going to be Vertica RW user. And the password we saved, we used the default one, so it's going to be dbrw #123 verify. Enable. Oh, we said no. Connection successful. Vertical database RO user. This one is dbro at 123. Verify. Yes. This is the default. Local per system volume, so 150/50. I did exactly that. So let's deploy. I can export. Can I import it really? Huh. So let's deploy. Fingers crossed. Deployment name OPSB1. Select namespace. I confirm that I have read. Let me see if I'm guessing correctly. Deploying recommended install application from the apphub, export the application settings, then install the application manually. When you're ready to deploy your application, click on deploy, deployment name, the namespace, license agreement. Okay, so to make it more eventful for myself and for everybody else, let's go to our namespace, right? And we will actually go to, yeah, we'll just monitor the system right here. So right now, nothing is deployed in the Ops Bridge namespace, which is super cool. And there we go. We click on that OK button, and it says deploying. All right. Let's see what deploying means nowadays. What it means is, okay. There's the Ops Bridge. Let's see, do we have anything here yet? One, zero, core cube system. Let's see, is it still deploying stuff? It's doing something. Oh, there we go. There we go. Ops Bridge namespace, and there is everything, and it's pending, and it's initializing, and now we can feel wonderful. So there, the thing is deployed. The burger button can actually, okay, there's the details, there's edit, and we can probably export it for future generations and whatnot. So then we go with verified installation. So get PVC all names. Oh, okay, that's one way to check it. Then check all the pods, and if they are running. Oh, that's a lot of pods. Okay, and execute output command running correctly. That's going to take a while. So it's going to take us a little while until all of those pods are white again, because right now they're red. And well, some of them are already running, but that's a lot of pods. That is a lot of pods. And some of them are doubled. So yeah, that is new for me, for some of the pods. Should not have been like that. Then view deployment, go to deployments, and you can see that you can view history and everything, and deploy, auto pass, it's done. Apply license. Okay, license for what though? It's a 60-day trial license for what? It's for, there is no BM, there is no need to apply any license to the thing, because what, there is nothing there that needs to be licensed really. Configure classic OBM. Okay, so this is the integration portion. And actually, I'm going to end the series of the deployment videos right here, because next series is going to be all about integrations and data collection. So there is no need to confuse and conflate those two together, because the first task is to get everything running. And I can safely say that this thing would end properly, just because we passed all of the hurdles. Once it's there, it's there. There might be some issues in the future, but not related to deployment itself. So I hope you kind of like it, and I'll see you in the next videos.